Hey everybody, welcome back to No Waste Wednesday. This is our fourth week, and I just realized that in like every video I'm wearing a different black shirt. So maybe I should name it something different. I don't know. I have way too many black clothes. But I just wanted to come to y'all. This week I'm actually having a Pamper Chef party. I don't throw a lot of parties, but when I have women that support me in things that I do, I like to support them back. So shout out to Debbie Graves, who is hosting a Pamper Chef party with me. And that really got me thinking about the things that I use to cook and prepare around the house and how those things can be helpful not to waste. I was challenged today to talk about my favorite Pampered Chef item. Some of the things I'm going to show you today are Pampered Chef. Most of them are not, because I like to get things that work for me in lots of different arenas. But my favorite thing is the mix and scraper. You can tell that I use it often. I use this every day. I have two because there's always at least one or both of them in the dishwasher, because I use it so much. The reason I love this is because it's very versatile. I can mix, I can scrape. My kids hate this because when I'm scraping the bowl, there's not a drop of brownie batter or whatever for them to lick the bowl. So they hate this, but I love it because nothing gets wasted and nothing gets left behind. So I'm literally having this party this week just so I can get another one of these. They're like $14 from Pampered Chef. This is the small size. They have a mini one and then they have a bigger one. Small size is my favorite because it can fit into jars and get the bottom of the mayonnaise or the sour cream or whatever. But you can also use it for cooking and mixing. So I highly recommend getting something that you can get all of your food out and you're not wasting any, and it's not going down the drain or anything like that. So this is a shameless plug for Pamper Chef right now, but literally, like, this is the only spatula and scraper that I use because it's just a miracle worker. Another thing I want to talk about is chip clips. I saw a post by one of my friends the other day that her husband had opened like 4 bags of the exact same kind of chips. A lot of times I don't use chip clips. A lot of times I put the leftovers in a Ziploc bag so it's sealed even better and I can put it in the pantry and don't have to worry about like rodents and things like that. But chip clips are great. You can get these like from the dollar store or anywhere, and it just helps keep your stuff fresh for longer so you're not throwing out stuff. Another thing is the Pamper Chef Stone Scraper. I don't actually have any of the stones, but I have the scraper because it's amazing at getting residue off pans. That helps keep your pans last longer. Stuff off your countertops. I take labels off of jars. I do canning, so I reuse some jars that I get. I actually use these to scrape off the peanut butter labels of our peanut butter jars and made like jars to put Trevor's nails and screws in to organize those. So this is very helpful in just all kinds of little things. The next is a strawberry corer. My kids will eat like half a strawberry because they'll take a big bite of it and then they don't want to eat the stem. And I'm like, okay, this stem is like this much and you didn't eat this much. So I take the stem out. This helps with making desserts and all kinds of stuff. So I'm just taking the amount that I need right around the green part and not chopping off half of the strawberry, and then they can't complain. Saves a lot. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it does add up. And I use these also to take the seeds out of our peppers that we grow. It's great to just scrape them out. Trevor can't have the seeds anymore because of diverticulitis, and so this is really, really helpful and time effective. Another thing is a good water bottle. This is a corksicle bottle. We got these from the Yankee Candle store and they were like $50 each, and I'm one of those people that's like, I cannot spend $50 on a water bottle. Are you crazy? But Trevor hardly ever buys anything and he wanted these, and so I said, okay, I have a coupon for the Yankee Candle store and let's get them. Let's just get them. You don't ever buy anything, so let's just get them. But I'm telling you, these things are the greatest thing that I have ever had. It keeps water cold for like 12 hours, keeps my coffee. Usually, it takes me all day to drink a cup of coffee, and for it to stay warm in here, then I'm not like reheating it a million times. I'm not throwing it away or dumping it down the sink. So this has been great for time, money. It has a great seal, and I drop everything. So having this has been really great. The last thing I want to show you is just something really simple. Small frying pan. I've tried to be more healthy in the mornings lately and get my metabolism going. So I've just been cooking like one egg, put a little bit of onion in there, saute it, put one egg. This is perfect. You need a small pan, dependable pan that you can just grab out a couple mornings a week, cook an egg, and go on your way. And you're not wasting the energy to heat up a huge pan, and you're not washing a huge pan, which costs more money for the water and the soap and all those things. So you just want a little dependable pan to make yourself something small, especially if you're a single person. That these are great. Like, I've had this for years, and it's like my go-to. So I hope that this is helpful, and just reminding you, be mindful of the things that you have in your kitchen. I'm a kitchen and a kitchen gadget person, and so all these things I just feel, maybe not make a huge difference each meal, but all the years that I've been cooking and all the meals that I cook, I've had these for years, and I really do feel like it adds up. So be mindful of little things and get you some good kitchen gadgets. Bye, guys.